Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is Mystical Phoenix Tarot. I thank you all for being here. This reading is going to be a love reading. It may or may not resonate with you, so take what applies and leave the rest. Also remember that the energies can always be reversed. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's roll zodiac dice, see who Libra may be dealing with. You have Pisces, you have Scorpio, and you have Taurus. All right, let's get an oracle from the wisdom of the oracle. Universe, spirit guides, and angels, please give Libra the messages they need to know for this love reading. You have flexible, and on the bottom you have thinker. Okay, let's read number 19. Essential meanings: teachability, open-mindedness, being adaptable without compromising what's most important. The oracle's message: a tree's roots are solidly planted in the ground, yet its branches can bend in a hurricane, whereas a rigid structure like a building would come crashing down. Consider how the tree remains supple and secure when everything around it may be in shambles. This is how you need to be now, willing to learn new things, teachable, malleable, yet firmly grounded in who you are. Common sense is important, but so is an open mind. Stay curious, stay open, stay aware at this time. Others will be more flexible with you too. Relationship message: in every relationship, it's important to be open to new experiences and learning new things. Letting go of rigidity is what's required right now. You don't always have to be right all the time, do you? It's okay to come to a happy compromise. You can still get your needs met. It's a beautiful day when you meet halfway. The appearance of this card in a reading could also signal that you have met someone new who may not be your type, but who will turn out to be so special that you can easily release your old ideas about what sort of partner is right for you. Be flexible. You'll be happy you made that choice. Okay. Now we're going to shuffle the Lenormand. Then I'm going to shuffle them 3 times, see what comes out. Universe, spirit guides, and angels, please give Libra the messages they need to know for this love reading. Please give Libra the messages they need to know for this love reading. One more. Okay, on the bottom you have garden and you have fox. Okay, so number 14, I'm going to read the key words: rule breaker, doing the unexpected, and deception. And then the garden, you have friends, festivities, acquaintances, and gatherings. Okay, so fox, kind of like someone being sneaky. All right, let's get the handmade cards. I'm going to shuffle these. I'm going to take the top and bottom off of each deck. Universe, spirit guides, and angels, please give Libra the messages they need to know for this love reading. You have stagnant, and on the bottom you have giving up. Underneath that, you have don't dim your light. Universe, spirit guides, and angels, please give Libra the messages they need to know for this love reading. You're headed towards something better. And reaping what you sow. On the bottom of that is avoidance. Okay, so let's get the tarot laid out. I'm going to shuffle these up. We'll go through them as I lay them out. Universe, spirit guides, and angels, please give Libra the messages they need to know for this love reading. Okay, so the first card is Libra's energy. You have the Ace of Swords. The other person's energy, they have Temperance, Sagittarius. Third card is the potential for the relationship. You have the Star, Aquarius energy. Fourth card, what to avoid, the Emperor, Aries energy. The fifth card is the outcome, the Four of Pentacles. On the bottom, you have the Page of Pentacles. This is a monetary message, learning something, giving or receiving something. So for your energy, you have the Ace of Swords. So this can be a new beginning, new thoughts, new ideas. It's also about truth, clarity, or success. Can I get 3 cards for the Ace of Swords here for Libra's energy? You have the Two of Wands, 10 of Cups, and the Five of Cups. On the bottom, the Eight of Cups, walking away from a person or a situation, a lack of communication or something moving slowly. Three of Pentacles is work, teamwork, or working to build on something. There's the Page of Pentacles, monetary message, learning something, giving or receiving something. There's that giving up. The Devil in reverse. Yeah, there's been some sort of deception here. So what this looks like, it looks like you have gotten some sort of truth or clarity where either you or the other person has left one thing behind to take action towards something else. The Ten of Cups, I'm seeing this as like family. So it seems like something has happened to where either your person has moved away from the family or you're moving the family away from this person because of some sort of regret or disappointment. Can I get 3 cards for the Two of Wands, 10 of Cups, and 5 of Cups? You have Death, Scorpio energy, the Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and the Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So death is an ending, change, or transformation. Queen of Swords, this can be representing Libra. Knight of Pentacles is a stable, grounded offer, slow movement, or stagnation, which we have stagnation here. There could be an ending that is moving slowly, or changes are taking place very slowly. Let's look at the bottom here. This could be like a child support situation. That could be the situation here. You may have already separated or gotten a divorce from whoever this is, but there's not any financial support coming from this person, or it's coming in very slowly. I got 3 cards for Libra's energy. Standing up, Charmer, dinner and cocktails, secrets, games. So all this is upright. So I don't know if you're keeping secrets or games, or this could be saying that you're leaving. This is like the 2 of Wands for me. So it could be saying you're leaving behind something that was in regards to secrets and games. You no longer wanted to be trapped in your thoughts or in a self-imposed prison. So, you know what? This may not... I don't think you've left this person yet. I think the relationship has gone stagnant, but you haven't left yet is what's going on here. I think your person goes out a lot. Maybe goes out to bars, goes and parties. I think you're standing your ground or defending yourself about this. This is something that's been going on for a long time and you're wanting a change. So I think what's going on here is you are staying at home taking care of the family, and this person goes and does whatever they want to do. Goes out to bars, goes out to party. And I think this energy of this routine is becoming stagnant, and I think you're ready to give up. So I don't know that you've left this situation yet, but I think you're considering it. You're wanting balance. So it's not that you haven't talked about this to this person. I think they tell you what you want to hear. You're like, can we get more equal give and take here? Can you spend less time going out and spend more time with your kids or your family? And they're like, I'm sorry, I'll do better, but they don't. They don't do better. Something here is unfair. This could just be showing Libra at odds with this person. See, you're just wanting them to give a little. And they're not even doing that. And you're ready to give up. Yeah. Let's find out about this person. This person has temperance, so you could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but this is patience, balance, or healing. Can I get 3 cards for temperance? You have the Lovers, Gemini energy, the 10 of Swords, and the 2 of Cups. So the Lovers is, it's new love, divine guided love, or making a choice, a heart over head choice. Ten of Swords is a harsh ending or a backstabbing or betrayal. And the Two of Cups is soulmates. This can be a marriage. It's almost like this person is being, well, it seems like you may have presented this person with a choice. Let me get the rest of the cards. Can I get 3 cards for the Lovers, the Ten of Swords, and the Two of Cups? Queen of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, the Ten of Wands. So this person is already showing 2 tens and the Knight of Swords. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Ten of Wands, burdens, feeling overwhelmed, and the Knight of Swords, an offer of truth or something coming in quickly. It seems to me like this person is needing to tell you some sort of truth in regards to a harsh ending or a backstabbing or betrayal. With that Temperance, that makes me feel like this person wants to heal the relationship. Can I get 3 cards for the other person's energy? Anger. See, was those secrets upright? Where did I see that? It seems like this person wants to fix this, but they're hiding something. Climbing is like the Ten of Wands, and we have, so it's like something is a struggle. We have anger on one side and peace on the other, which is like opposite ends of the spectrum. So there may be a lot of fighting. I feel like what this is a relationship that's on the brink of ending. I feel like hope isn't lost. I feel like hope is lost for both of these people, but this is a relationship that can be repaired, but it's on its last legs. I feel like if both of these people want to repair this, I feel like there's 2 sides of a story here in this situation. I feel like this person wants this person to spend more time at home, more time with the family. And I think this person wants to work on the relationship as well, but they're always met with anger. They just want peace. So this is a situation where this is a relationship where resentment has been built up. So this is kind of like, this is this flexible card here. Both people need to be flexible. Instead of this person looking at this person and saying, you need to change, and this person looking at this person saying, you need to change, you both need to look at each other and say, what do we both need to do to improve this relationship? Because, like I said, this is a situation where resentments have built up. Bitterness has built up. So every time you look at this person looks at you, you're looking at everything that makes you angry about this person. and they're looking at you and seeing all the anger that you have towards them, and they just want to run away from it. So there has to be, this isn't about one person changing or that person changing, this person changing. This is about coming to a compromise on what you both need to do to make this situation work. Okay, the next card is the potential for the relationship. I literally said there is hope for this relationship, and the star is representing hope, and that's the potential for the relationship. There is hope here. Can I get 3 cards for the star? You have strength, Leo energy. You have the King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and the Ace of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, this is about coming to a balance. With strength, this is about needing strength, courage, or confidence. So this is about your King of Pentacles. I think this is representing stability and commitment. This is talking about having strength, courage, and confidence in the relationship itself. Having strength, courage, or confidence that you can try again to make this relationship work. Because like I said, I feel like the situation is both of these people are ready to give up. But that's because the energy has become stagnant in regards to the resentments that these two people have towards each other. So this is talking about making changes and improvements. It's going to take work from both of these people. It can't be one-sided. Both of these people have to do the work, or this relationship isn't going to work. If one person works on it and the other person doesn't, then it's the resentment. It's going to start building up again. I think if you can come to a compromise that this can work, because both of these people want this to work. Can I get 3 cards for strength, the King of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles? You have the High Priestess, Pisces energy, the Sun, and the King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. See, it seems like both of you have one foot out the door already. I think it's important here to be able to listen to each other without starting a fight. I think it's important that you listen without defending, because what you're doing here, in order to fix this relationship, you need to both express to each other the problems that you are having. So this is about you sitting and listening to what this person has to say, and this person, without interruption, without defending, without argument, because you're not really listening to what this person is saying. You and this person are saying what it is that's bothering you, that's affecting this relationship. So it's about taking that to heart, and how can we come to a compromise to make that work. The High Priestess is about using your intuition. The Sun is clarity, enlightenment, or happiness. What actions do we need to take? You know, using your intuition, what actions do we need to take to bring happiness to this relationship? Can I get 3 cards for the potential for the relationship? Investment, bigger picture. Yep. So the investment is talking about the marriage, the relationship. There's a bigger picture here. You know, like I said, this is a relationship that's on the brink of ending, and it's going to take hard work because you both have gone into a cycle of doing things a certain way. This is physically and forcibly making changes to improve your relationship. So it's taking old bad habits and making new good habits. And like I said, it takes both people or this will not work. It's hard. It's hard, but it's not impossible. It's also about letting go of any resentments, any past resentments. It's literally like starting new. And I mean, all you can do is try to make this work. And, you know, only the future will be able to tell if this relationship will be able to stay together. If that's what you want, if you really want to work this relationship out, it is very possible for that to happen. But like I said, it takes both people. Okay, the 4th card is what to avoid. For some reason, I'm hearing control. So these may be 2 individuals that both like to have control over situations. They both like to take the lead. Or it's one or the other. You know, there may be one that likes to have more control over the other. Someone needs to let go of some kind of control. That's what I'm trying to say here. This is Aries energy, so you could be dealing with an Aries, but this is divine masculine, husband, father, boss, father figure. It's also taking control of the situation, but this is what to avoid. So someone needs to avoid having control over everything. Can I get 3 cards for the Emperor? You have the 9 of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the 6 of Cups. This is talking about having control about things that, wanting to have control over things that have happened in the past. This is about letting go of the past. So, like I said, if you want to reconcile or you want to revive this relationship, you have to let go of any resentments or any issues from the past. Because if you start bringing up the past, you're going to get right back in this rut that you're in. And it's, you know, it's going to reach a point of no return. But there's someone here who worries about someone going back to the past. So this feels to me like someone who likes to take control, likes to control the situation, because that way they know where everything is headed. And that's not how it works. I feel like someone likes to try to control what someone is doing. Something like that. Can I get 3 cards for the 9 of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the 6 of Cups? This is really about letting go of the past, the Empress, the 7 of Cups. See, what I think's going on here is someone needs so much control. Someone needs so much control here that if they don't know what's going on, if they don't have control of the situation, then they start creating illusions in their own mind. what's going on within the marriage. So this feels to me like someone who may have been cheated on in the past. I don't know if it's by this person or by someone else, but this is someone who has wants to have a serious hold on everything that's going on, because if they don't know what's going on, then fear starts creeping in their mind that there's some sort of deception going on, even if there's not. This is something you really need to avoid. I say it in every single reading I do, especially where there's reconciliation, where there's been cheating. That is that is the hardest kind of reconciliation, to reconcile with someone who has been cheated on you. Because that requires you letting go of everything this person has done. It requires you to have to build up trust with this person, all while this person is with you. It's extremely hard. So if that's what this situation here is, it's not impossible, but it's extremely hard. Okay, can I get 3 cards for what to avoid? Risk. See, this is about someone who feels like they need to control a situation. This is this is talking exactly about what I was just saying. Someone feels like that if they don't have tunnel vision, if they're not completely focused on whatever's going on, if they don't know everything that's going on, then there's a risk that this person is going to be false. So this person is wanting so much control that they want to know what's happening before it even happens. So this is someone who is either terrified of losing control or terrified that someone's going to do something behind their back that they don't know about. This is about someone having a huge fear of being hurt. But it's very toxic. It's very unhealthy for a relationship. That's why it's saying you need to avoid, whether this is you or the other person. If this is the other person, you need to have a discussion with that person. That if you feel like, whether this is you or the other person, if you feel like you have to have this much control over your person to keep them from doing whatever it is you think they may do, then that is not your person. You should not have to force you shouldn't have to force every step your person takes in order for that to make you feel better. All you're doing is creating that situation where all you're ever doing is controlling this person, and all that person is going to do in return is keep getting pushed farther and farther away from you. This is not a healthy love relationship if someone is doing this, and it will be heading for an ending. Okay, the last card is the outcome. You have the 4 of Pentacles. This is feeling guarded, holding on to something tightly, financial struggle, or withholding. So, someone has a serious need to control. And I feel like that's going to lead to the demise of this relationship. Eight of Pentacles, the Moon, Pisces energy, and Judgment. Some sort of deception coming out. Eight of Pentacles is work or working hard towards something. See, whether this is Libra or the other person, someone doesn't feel like this is going to work. Someone is feeling guarded that this is even going to work. So I see that there's an attempt being made here, but someone's not feeling confident about the outcome. Can I get 3 cards for the 8 of Coins, the Moon, and Judgment? Yeah, 3 of Swords, the Hierophant. See, this person feels like there's been so much heartbreak in the marriage. Page of Wands is a message of good news or good. What is this Page of Wands? Can you tell me what this Page of Wands is? What is the Page of Wands here with the 3 of Swords and the Hierophant? 9 of Cups. Success. See, this is good. This is wish fulfillment, success and victory, and offer of love. But I don't know if that's this relationship. I feel like, see how this Page of Wands, I feel like this is walking away from a relationship where there's been too much heartbreak. But you see what this person is walking towards is wish fulfillment, success and victory, and love and support. It's saying you're headed towards something better. So this is one of those readings that it says it's your choice. If you want to try to work on this relationship, you can. But it's going to take a lot of work. And it's going to take a lot of changing on both people's side. So in the end, you know, if you see that this relationship isn't working out, and you do decide to walk away, you will be heading towards something better. So this is just something that's up to you. Let me get the last 3 cards here. Can I get 3 cards for the outcome here for Libra? Fear. See, someone, yeah. Someone knows they need to go. Someone knows it's time to go, but someone has a fear of starting over. Someone has a fear of change. So this is going to be, I feel like more than likely this is going to be a situation where someone is going to be beating a dead horse. Someone is going to stay in a relationship way past the expiration date because they have fear of starting over. They have fear of change. But it's telling you here that the opportunity is there for you. The opportunity is there to reconcile this relationship. It's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of work from both parties. But if you feel this relationship has reached the end of the line, you starting over and making changes is going to lead to a lot of good things for you. Like I said, that is your choice. All right, let's get a Lover's Oracle, Universe, Spirit Guides, and Angels. Please give Libra the messages they need to know for this love reading. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Yeah, I think you do too. On the bottom it says, my beloved, though we may be physically apart, spiritually we are always united, for love transcends space and time. Nothing is missing. All right, let's get a timeline card here. Universe, spirit guides, and angels, please give Libra a timeline for this love reading. Next month looks promising, and February. So there could have been something happening back in February, or could be something happening next February, which is a really long ways off. But it's saying next month. So we're midway through April, so midway through May. All right, Libra, that is what I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If the reading resonated, let me know down below. And with that, I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.